Welcome to a journey into the world of abandoned cars. Hidden away in dense forests, forgotten fields, or dusty old garages, these cars were once symbols of pride, now left to face the test of time. In this video, we'll uncover the mysterious stories behind them, from legendary classic cars to once famous supercars now forgotten. Let's turn back the pages of history, covered in dust, and explore the haunting beauty they leave behind. In a scrapyard filled with classic cars, the Crusty GTX stands out with its rugged yet captivating appearance. This car, waiting to be restored, draws in classic car enthusiasts eager for a chance to bring it back to the streets. Alongside it, the cowboy cars, with their bold style often reminiscent of cowboys, create a unique atmosphere. These vehicles are not just remnants of the past, but untold stories waiting for someone to discover and revive them. Exploring the largest junkyard for classic Mustangs is an exhilarating experience for car enthusiasts. At Baxter Classic Cars, you'll find thousands of abandoned Mustangs, each carrying its own story and history. Despite their deteriorated and damaged condition, these cars still hold great value for those who love restoration. Many of the Mustangs here are said to have been running when parked, offering an excellent opportunity for creative restoration projects. This junkyard is not just a place where old cars are stored, but a treasure trove of rare parts and components. Mechanics and collectors can discover valuable pieces to restore their classic Mustangs.
Encore MPW is a licensed automotive parts recycler based in Illinois, specializing in providing parts for Ford Mustangs from 1979 to 2004. With a diverse inventory, Encore MPW serves both local and online customers, particularly offering parts for the Mustang 5.0 Fox Body and 4.6 modular models. To help customers better understand their stock, Encore MPW has created a warehouse tour video, offering an in-depth look at their inventory and the services they provide. The 1985 Lincoln Town Car was one of the most prominent luxury vehicles of the 1980s, produced by Ford and quickly becoming a symbol of opulence and style. With its large design, smooth lines, and spacious interior, this car not only offered comfort for both drivers and passengers, but also reflected the owner's sophistication. The finely crafted details in the interior, from premium leather seats to meticulously finished dashboards, made the Lincoln Town Car a top choice for those seeking luxury. In the modern era, searching for and restoring 1985 Lincoln Town cars in junkyards has become an exciting and challenging task for classic car enthusiasts. The show Junkyard Mission 3 has documented this journey, where vintage car lovers have the opportunity to hunt for these legendary vehicles among thousands of others. The Assal Park Traction Engine Rally 2024 was successfully held on August 10th and 11th, 2024 in Chelford, Cheshire, drawing thousands of visitors and vintage machinery enthusiasts. One of the festival's standout highlights was the Grand Steam Parade 2, which took place at 12 noon, featuring numerous steam traction engines and mini cars. Attendees had the chance to admire meticulously maintained machines, participate in entertainment activities, and enjoy local cuisine. The festival not only brought a joyful atmosphere, but also created a unique opportunity for technology and history lovers to connect. This event has become an essential part of many families' and visitors' summer plans. The 1917 Cadillac 5.8 is a symbol of automotive history, and restarting it after 93 years of inactivity is an exciting challenge. To get the car running again, a thorough inspection process is essential. First, the engine and key components like the fuel tank, carburetor, and electrical system must be checked, as they may have corroded or deteriorated due to prolonged disuse. Cleaning and maintaining these parts are crucial to ensure everything operates smoothly. Additionally, changing the oil and inspecting the cooling system are necessary steps before attempting to start the engine. If everything checks out, the engine can be cautiously started, but care must be taken to avoid causing any damage. To determine if the 1957 International one-ton truck can run after 30 years, it's essential to assess the condition of the engine, electrical system, and fuel tank. Many older vehicles often require replacement of parts, like the battery and spark plugs, to restart. There are numerous videos and resources sharing experiences from those who have revived classic vehicles after years of inactivity. In summary, with proper care and maintenance, this truck has the potential to be restarted and brought back to working condition.
The Victory Lap Memorial for racing legend Roy Hendrick was successfully held on August 16, 2024, from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. at Southside Speedway, located at 12,800 Genido Road. The event, organized by Roy Hendrick's family and friends, was dedicated to honoring and remembering his immense contributions to the racing world. With hundreds in attendance, the ceremony became a meaningful occasion for everyone to share fond memories of him and express their deep respect for a man who dedicated his life to his passion. The atmosphere was filled with emotion and unity as the racing community gathered to pay tribute to a legend who will forever live in their hearts. Stories, laughter, and even tears made the evening truly special, affirming that Roy Hendrick will always be remembered and celebrated in the hearts of those who loved him. A 1946 International truck can potentially be restarted after 50 years if it is properly maintained and repaired. However, this depends on the overall condition of the engine and other components. Before attempting to start the vehicle, cleaning and servicing key parts are essential, as this can improve the engine's chances of running smoothly. The battery should be cleaned, the fuel system inspected, and the oil changed to ensure everything is in optimal condition. Many people have successfully restored vintage vehicles, often sharing valuable experiences that demonstrate the need for both technical skill and a passion for historical cars. If you're considering restoring a 1946 International, be prepared for an exciting and challenging journey. The Motorheads Classic Car Show is a fantastic event for classic car enthusiasts, showcasing a wide array of unique and stunning vehicles. Here, car lovers have the opportunity to admire meticulously maintained cars, each carrying a rich history and a showcase of design artistry. The event not only attracts classic car fans, but also serves as a hub for owners to connect and share their experiences. With its vibrant atmosphere and fascinating stories surrounding each vehicle, the Motorheads Classic Car Show is truly an unforgettable experience for all who attend. The 2023 Driffield Steam Rally was a standout event, attracting a large number of steam engine and vintage technology enthusiasts. Set in an exciting atmosphere, the festival offered visitors the chance to witness powerful steam engines and classic machinery in action, creating thunderous sounds and impressive visuals. The demonstrations not only showcased intricate engineering, but also evoked memories of a golden era in industrial history. In addition to the displays, the event featured various other activities such as exhibitions, games, and food stalls, making the atmosphere lively and full of joy. It was truly a memorable experience for all who attended. Starting a 1960 Ford Starliner after 54 years of inactivity is an exciting but risky challenge. This classic car, with its unique design and rich history, can bring great joy to car enthusiasts. However, before attempting to start the engine, several components must be carefully inspected. The engine, fuel system, battery, and lubricants all need thorough examination. Restoring a vintage car like the Starliner requires not only technical expertise, but also patience and a deep love for automobiles. With proper maintenance, the Starliner can not only be revived, but also become a valuable collector's item, with its worth increasing over time. The allure of classic cars like the Starliner goes beyond their exterior beauty. They carry stories and memories that make restoring them a rewarding journey for any car lover. The car show at the Montrose Blueberry Festival will take place on August 11th from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. This notable event will feature a variety of classic and vintage cars, along with a flea market and delicious food options. For more information, you can contact 810-639-3475. You can also find videos of this event on the Adventure Anywhere YouTube channel, where they have captured exciting moments from the show. Thank you for joining this exploration. Abandoned cars aren't just rusty metal shells, they hold untold stories waiting to be discovered. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss out on future adventures. See you in the next video.